witchcraft. This is trial by error. 1500s I would prefer. I'm a 16th century gal myself. I'm going back to the duck pond with Papa Blaze to go fishing. Well, he's going to be fishing. I'm going to be observing. So, Frida, Bay, let's go. Honey, I'm home. I would love to get one of these if they were BPA free. That sucks. Look at this happy little tree. Oh my goodness, I might have to. Look at how happy little tree.
Maybe there's a happy tree, evergreen tree. He lives right there.
And that is an ent. Oh my God, we have fall stuff starting to come out right next to July 4th stuff. Okay, you know my ongoing beef with the effing Broncos. Oh my God. I look rough because I feel rough, but I got this the last Shop Miss A order that I placed, and I told you that I would do a first impression or a review when I used it. I have a filming day today. I've been having some kind of reaction with my face. It's been like breaking out and very itchy lately, so I'm not going to put this all over my face, but most of my face. So I'm going to be reviewing the Flaw Eraser Foundation Stick from AOA Studio from Shop Miss A. I got the lightest shade Porcelain, so I'm going to be using their Paw blender to blend it out. So I'm basically gonna just use it mostly as like a concealer. I already moisturized my face, so it's got moisturizer on. There's no primer or anything, just moisturizer. Just letting you know all the deets beforehand. So let's put that much on and see how that works so far. Let's go ahead and buff it in. I just poked myself in the eye, which is always fun. Love that for me. So it is a creamy consistency, but blendability is not the best. And it is kind of flaky. I don't know if you can tell. Like I said, I did put moisturizer on, and I didn't put primer on, but I don't think primer is really the problem here. A lot of people do not put primer on, so I don't want to hear the excuse, oh, but you didn't put primer. A lot of people don't put primer on and their foundations work just as well. I think primer a lot of the times is just a marketing scheme. I have put foundations on several times without using primer and they work just as well. I know I'm scandalous. No, I do use primer 80% of the time, but a lot of the times if I'm like in a rush, I won't. But I would give this like a 5.2 out of 10. I'm not very happy with it. Look at this. I look like a lizard peeling. Not very happy with it. I'll give it a try again when My skin's doing a little bit better. My skin's not dry. I have moisturizer on it. I'll give it another try when my skin calms down. And maybe I'll try with a brush application next time. But so far, not too excited about it. Thank you.
Perfect. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Welcome to Baking with Blaze, which sounds like it should be more fun than it actually is. So I saw my friend on TikTok, a very close friend that I've had since like I was a little teenage Blaze, very young teenage Blaze. So she's on a very strict diet too, and she showed me a recipe. And I want to try it out because she says she has a sweet tooth, and so does this fat bitch. And I really wanted to try it out. So I went to the store today, picked up the ingredients. So this is the PB2. Maybe you guys have heard of it. I never did before her. And she recommended the peanut butter with cocoa because she says she likes chocolate with her peanut butter. Bitch, so do I. So basically it's like powdered peanut butter, PB2. But like healthier. It's like 99 or 90% less fat peanut butter. It's got 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. Holy crap, that's good. You're gonna need oats, regular oats. So we got Simply Truth organic oats and vanilla extract. That's what we got. Oh, and water. I forgot to get water. Shit. Okay, we got water. So basically we're gonna just make little oat balls using this and the vanilla extract. And we're gonna put them in the fridge for a little while and see how they come out. This is trial by error, the 1800s, the 1500s I would prefer. I'm a 16th century gal myself. Okay, so we got our bowl here. Ooh, this smells so good. Smells like a Girl Scout cookie. I forget which one. So for every 2 tablespoons of this, we're going to use 1.5 tablespoons of water. So we're going to use a few tablespoons of this. We're going to use like 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I'm sorry you can't even see what I'm freaking doing. Let me try to set this up better. So we got 1. I'm not gonna make you sit through this. 2. Feel like the Tootsie Pop Owl. 3.
1, 2, 3.
See how that mixed up so far. And since we're white trash, we use plastic silverware at the moment. So let's just mix this up. And if we need to add, yeah, I think we're gonna need to add more water than this. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need to add more water than this. All right, guys, don't panic. You know what? We should just like eyeball it. This is how you screw up things, Blaze. All right, I think we got it. It seems like it is the right consistency from what I've seen in videos of people making the PB2. So this smells delicious. I am not going to lie. I thought it was going to be really gross, but I'm up for trying new things lately. Now, if you've ever tried vanilla extract, you know that this flavor goes a very long way. So I'm only gonna put a little dab of that in. Just the tiniest little amount. Maybe just 1. There we go. I'm only putting that much in because I know that vanilla extract is a very strong flavor, and I'm going to mix that in good. She didn't say how much oats to use, so I'm just going to, like I said, eyeball it. But yes, now we're gonna put our oats in. She also said she puts cinnamon in a lot of the times, but I think that would just like be a lot of flavor for this. So I'm not going to put cinnamon in. So basically we're gonna make balls, little oat balls out of this. And we're gonna put them in the fridge. I don't know if I already said that. Probably already did. But just in case I didn't, and you guys are confusion, then that's what we're doing. So, gonna need some more oats. This seems like it's a fun snack. I've been craving chocolate so bad because I have my female time, so get this nice and cold and solid and have me a nice snack, and I will taste test it here on or in the video for you guys. I'm not gonna just bake it and leave you guys hanging and be like, all right, that's it. Not even gonna let you guys know how it was. Now we're gonna go to the pan and there we go. Spray it down, and I'm going to, I already washed my hands. I don't know how big to make our balls.
Ooh, I like the way your balls smell.
So I'm just gonna do like this. I'm gonna roll it up like a meatball. Was that racist? I am so sorry. Or offensive? I don't know. I'm sorry, Italians, if I offended you. Here we go. This is fun. This is like playing, I'm a child. I'm just a big old child right now. But this does feel nice. This is relaxing too. It's like playing with slime. I don't know how many we're gonna make at the moment. Okay, we made 7. I think that's a really good amount, especially for our first round. I'm going to put them in the fridge for a while, for a few hours, and I'll see how they feel. And if they feel all right, we will do a taste test, and if not, I'll leave them in for as long as we need to, and I will come back with the taste test eventually, whenever they're ready. Okay, it's been an hour and they feel not completely hardened, which this is what I don't want them to be. So I'm gonna take, let's see, this one right here, and I'm gonna taste test it. It looks yummy. Kind of looks like a Ferrero Rocher, if only. All right, so here we go. This is what it looks like. Here we go. It's definitely an interesting taste. The oats are definitely getting stuck in my teeth. Okay. It's very interesting. I'm definitely getting peanut butter. Definitely. I'm not getting much vanilla extract at all, so maybe I'll have to use a little more next time. And the cocoa is definitely more like, sorry, I'm like talking with my, while I have food in my mouth. But it's definitely more, what's the word? Like a healthy, like, protein bar kind of chocolate tasting. Not in a bad way. I will give this a 7.6 out of 10. It's really not that bad. And this will definitely take care of my cravings. So, I can definitely eat 1 or 2 of these and be completely satisfied. Alright. Success. Sorry for the smudgy camera earlier. I did not notice that my lens was all smudgy. It's frustrating, but yeah, I just gave Papa Blaze one of my balls and he loved it. He said it tasted like fudge, like oatmeal fudge. He loved it. And I forgot to mention, another great thing is there's so much protein in this as well. So that's another great thing about this, is because diabetes, what's the main thing you have to have in your diet is protein. I am now making some tea and doing Dexter's litter and giving him some food and new water and doing my laundry. I'm gonna lay down for the night and watch Hoarders Buried Alive because and I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are doing well, and make sure to stay healthy and happy, or at least as happy as you can be. And I know life can suck, but please don't give up. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.